Welcome to Gwangjang Market. It's currently the hottest street food market in Seoul due to the Netflix series known as Street Food.
We came to eat some street food.
Our guest today is Aaron, an American Korean who has been serving for the South Korean military for 8 months, but he has a special permission to go home on a daily basis. Outside his military life, he helps businesses grow and loves to pursue his own creative outlet.
Where else could we go for street food other than Myeongdong here? So let's go inside, let's take a look. Let's try to eat some octopus, maybe. You want to try some live octopus, see how that works out? 네, 그냥 그거 안 먹고 우리 다른 거 먹을 거예요. Okay, not this. We'll eat something else. 네, 김밥도 주시고. 뭐 이것도 주세요. We got 3 dishes today. First we have the gimbap, and then we have the tteokbokki, and then we have this big thing called a sundae. Just I guess some pig liver with some noodles. We also get we got mandu. I'm assuming this is gonna be kimchi mandu, so I'm really excited for this one. 아무튼 드셔보시고 이따다키마스. So this is a cocoon for a silkworm. Itadakimasu. Tastes very bland. It just tastes like a bug, if you've ever eaten a bug before. I heard there's a lot of protein, so I would definitely be chugging this whole cup after my workout. 드셔보세요. 드셔보세요. Try it, come on, just try it. My cameraman ran away because he didn't want to eat it. Goodbye. 그냥 이거 뭐지? 이거 먹으라고 했는데 그냥 도망갔으니까 이제 없죠. 떡볶이나 뭐 그런 거 안 먹었으면 그 번데기 그대로 cocoon 빼고는 다 먹고 싶어요. I was like everything but the cocoon. It's a pancake. I'm not lying, it's actually a pancake, but it's a monkey pancake. So, I mean, in Korean, we would just call it dokdu kindeto. Yeah, I mean, I really enjoyed eating this when I was younger with my grandma. I'm having a hard time.
This is how you eat it?
I mean, no, but why not, right? There's no rule. So we're gonna basically look for some dessert because that's all we can find. Yeah, so you know, as you can see, I'm a famous soldier. No, I'm kidding. Let's see what kind of special kinds of desserts we can find, because if there's just ice cream and things like that, I'd rather go outside because it's kind of expensive. We got chapsal hotdog. So what's basically it's the same as the pancake thing we ate before, but without the vegetables, and it has some sugar inside. I mean, I guess. I mean, hey, I'm only half Korean, okay? 다는 몰라요. Okay? 조금만. Not bad. I mean, pretty good. Not my first time, but it's always good when I try it. So. We're at Gwangjang 시장. So apparently these are like I guess you say donuts.
드시죠?
네. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
예. 수고하세요. Well, my cameraman's gone. He decided to eat with us. While he's eating and while I'm eating, I guess I'll be the cameraman for the moment. So let's take a look around this place one last time before we leave.
Street food is an art form of itself. They spend hours prepping and cooking their signature dishes, just as a painter spends hours planning the stroke of his brush. It reminds us that great food can be found anywhere, and it can also be shared with anyone.
So that concludes my 1 hour trip to Guangzhou Market. I do recommend you guys coming here around maybe 7 p.m. max. Most of the stores will be open and there'll be a bit more people, so it'll kind of add more to the scenery if you're into the photo shooting and videos. But other than that, the food's perfect. A little bit expensive, but you get what you pay for. So now I'm gonna head home, go to sleep, because you know I gotta wake up tomorrow at 7 a.m. because I do go to the army, so can't be out for too long or else I get in trouble, you know. Don't want the MPs coming my way and taking me away to jail, so I'm just gonna start heading home now. Bye.